What are, since we are talking about costs, what are some of the benefits or the costs and time savings in choosing to go through the collaborative route? And one thing I forgot to ask you is, how does one get to the point where they decide, you know, like before going to the process, describe that process, but then talk to us about the savings, the benefits.
Okay. So when a client comes to me for an initial consultation, as you indicated, most people have not heard of collaborative. Sometimes people have heard of mediation, but they don't really know all of the process options available. So that is one piece of our consultation, is educating clients on what options are available to them and trying to determine which process option is best for themselves and their family. If the party and their spouse, because the spouse has to also be in agreement with participating in collaborative, if they both indicate that that's a process option that they are interested in, then it's a matter of forming the team. So the other spouse will find their own attorney, and then often I'm working with that attorney in deciding who the team members are going to be. We often have 2 divorce coaches who are mental health professionals. They will work with the parties in creating a parenting plan if there are minor children. They may also, I think their job is one of the most important of the entire collaborative process, because they're really focusing the clients on hearing the other person and effectively communicating and looking at big picture. And they're kind of running the process. We often also have a financial neutral involved, who can be a CPA, it can be a financial planner, and their role is to help the parties with the financial aspects, whether it's property division, division of expenses, payment of, you know, child support, alimony, whatever the case may be.
Okay, now I'm hearing a lot of professionals involved. So you mean to tell me that despite the fact that we've got all these great minds coming together to help you work through your divorce, that still, in terms of cost benefit, that still gets you further ahead than, say, just going through the traditional knockdown, drag out, you know, boxing match that is, you know, really contentious divorce proceedings?
Absolutely. And the reason for that is because oftentimes in that, you know, that litigation realm, you are also hiring professionals and experts. You know, so there may be someone who has to, and often there are competing experts. So in the litigation world, both spouses are hiring business evaluators. Both spouses may be hiring, you know, experts with regards to finances. Who's going to have, what's the earning potential? You may have all kinds of competing experts. In the collaborative world, often you are hiring a neutral person, expert, who is going to work with both parties in crafting a solution. And you're not doing things that are unnecessary in the collaborative world.
Wow. Wow.